Let's go. What's up, my Dragon Nation? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we are going to put the car up, and we're gonna be taking these rims off because it's gonna be a little bit easier to sand it down with the rims completely off. What you're going to be needing for this, of course, is going to be your torque wrench, a breaker bar, and a 22 millimeters to take those rims off. All right. Also, of course, you need your little handy dandy, jack. I had already done the other side. This is what it looks like. What I want to go for is actually like, I want to make the face of this white and then keep the edges here black. So I sanded down the face all around. That's pretty much what it looks like right now. And I sanded it down with 80 grit, P80 grit. So I'm going to just sanding it down, taking it off the car, and then putting it back on the car. That way you are safe out on the road, because if you don't torque to spec, it might go boom. Let's go ahead and jack this thing up. And with the rims already taken off, make sure you check your brake pads, your shocks, your struts and stuff like that, just to make sure everything's good. The tires already off, why not check it now, right? So when you're gonna put on the tires back again, mine are different sizes, so make sure you put the bigger size in the back, because my rear ones are 275s wide and my front ones are 255s.
So when sanding, make sure you use one of these mats. You don't want any of the particles going inside your body. It's really bad. I use one of these machines right here. I'm gonna do it with 80 grit, and let's get to sanding.
I took it. She said we should hook up the boyfriend and boogie. Don't know me, they look at I be in the clouds. Pool full of Henny, I drink and I drown. Daytime better come correct. Ain't playing at your best, then you will get left. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept. If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
All right, so that's what it's gonna look like after you sand it down. Right there. I'm not gonna make this video super long, but pretty much you get the gist of it. So when it comes to you putting the tire back on the car, just make sure you check all your brakes and stuff. You know, the tire's already off, you might as well just do it. And then make sure you torque it down to like 140 foot-pounds of torque with your handy dandy torque wrench. Don't forget to stomp on that like button and scratch on that subscribe button to become part of the Dragon Clan. Me and Dragoness will catch you on the next one. Y'all have a great day.
Daytime better come correct.